Alana Paiva, a popular Brazilian bodybuilder and fitness influencer, tragically died at the age of 21 due to a motorcycle accident in Rio de Janeiro. The accident happened while she was riding on the back of a motorcycle driven by her boyfriend. They were hit by a van that made an illegal turn at an intersection. The van's driver hit the scenes. Alana was in critical condition and put into a medical coma. Despite initially signs of improvement, she sadly passed away 10 days after the accident. She was well known on social media for her fitness and bodybuilding content. She loved bodybuilding for discipline and self improvement it offered.